Google Docs makes it easy to figure out how many words you've used and how many pages you've used over here in the document. So let's say, for example, I'll type in something like this is a sentence, just like this. And what happens is that I can view the statistics of the number of words and the characters that I use by going into tool right here and by going into word count. So you can see right here the pages that I've used is 1, word is 4, character is 20, and character excluding spaces is 16. So I use 4 spaces just like this. I can also enable this display word count while typing, and what that does is it'll keep this little box over here on the bottom left, which shows how many pages and words that I've used, just like that. So I can just use this as a reference, or I can hide the word count as well. And you can, to get it back, you go to word count over here, display it out again. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy and paste this around right over here, just like this. And you can see that this actually changes around. So just like this, you do not need to manually count everything out. So I'm just going to go around, copy all of this, and then keep on pasting this right here, as you can see. So now if you were to view the word count, you can see that it says it's 11 pages, it's 8,568 words, characters is 42,840, and characters excluding spaces is 34,272. And this is how you can use the word count to see how many words you've typed, how many spaces there are, how many characters there are, and how many pages there are in your overall document without keeping much effort. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.